Right. Hi. Hello, everyone. Right. So today's our topic is Newton's star law. So it is very famous law, and the statement also we know very well. But the important thing is Newton's star law is nothing but an action-reaction pair. So many students are confusing this one. See here, this is action, this is reaction. That is misconcept. So when you are applying force on this hand, see here, this hand is in contact with the surface. This surface also exerts an equal force on this hand. See here, in first law, we discussed F net is equal to 0. When F net is equal to 0, A net also equal to 0. When A net is equal to 0, velocity is equal to constant. So that means in first law, if net force is equal to 0, the acceleration also 0. When net acceleration is 0, body moves with a constant or body is either at rest. Next, in second law, we discussed net force acting on the body is equal to rate of change of movement. Then Newton's star law is nothing but very well, every action has equal and opposite reaction. This is a statement of Newton's star law, very well. But see here a body of mass M, it is placed on a horizontal surface. How many forces are acting on the body? Very well. One is gravitational force. A gravitational force mg is acting on the body, and another one is normal force. Here body is at rest. Then we know N equal to mg. Can this normal force and gravitational force, normal force and this gravitational force can action-reaction pair? Can action-reaction pair? Normal force and gravitational force can make action-reaction pair? No. Why? Because see here, in Newton's star law, these 5 points are very, very important. The first one is action-reaction pair are of same nature. Second one is action-reaction pair act on different bodies. And third one is action-reaction pair are of same magnitude. Okay. But first 2 points are very, very, very important. See here, Anna. First of all, see here a body of mass M. Okay. So the gravitational force is acting on the body. But who is exerting this gravitational force means we know very well, Earth. Earth pulls the body with some force. That force is nothing but a gravitational force acting on the body. So in mg is the gravitational force applied by Earth, exerting by Earth on the body of mass. Then this mass also pulls the Earth with the same force mg. See here I am writing action and reaction. Suppose this force is action. This force is action. Here action force is nothing but a gravitational force. Suppose this is a reactional force. This reactional force, if you observe reactional force is also gravitational force. That means if action is gravitational force, reaction also gravitational force. So action reaction pair are of same nature. But here see one is gravitational force, one is normal force. So they are different natures. That's why these are not action reaction pair. Next, second point, action reaction pair act on different bodies. So here see action is acting on body of mass m, reaction is acting on Earth. So action and reaction acting on different bodies. But here action is on body of mass m and reaction is also on body of mass m. That means here this is m, mg is acting vertical downwards, normal force. So action and reaction both are acting on the same body. So that means these are not action reaction pair. Action reaction pair act on different bodies. So here action reaction acts on different bodies. So this is the action reaction pair. Next one, third one is very well known. Action reaction pair are of same magnitude. Suppose if earth is pulling this body 10 newtons, this body also pulls the earth with 10 newtons, same magnitude. And observe the directions, opposite directions, and action reaction pair act simultaneously at the same time they are acting. So these are action reaction pairs. Next is here the body of mass em. The surface exerts a normal force on this mass. So normal force or mass exerted by surface. So due to this mass also exerts normal force exerted by mass on the surface. Here surface exerts normal force on the mass m. Normal force exerted on mass m by surface. So due to this mass also exerts normal force exerted by mass on the surface. Now see here what is action? Here action is normal force. What is reaction? Reaction is also normal force. That means action reaction pair are of same nature. And here action reaction pair acting on different bodies are not. So action is acting on body of mass m and reaction is acting on the surface. And they are same magnitude, opposite direction and act simultaneously. So these two forms action reaction pair. That means if action is tension, reaction is also tension. So what is the nature of action? If reaction also same nature, then only they will form the action reaction pair. If you observe these 5 rules is applied for any body, then they form the action reaction pair. So Newton's third law is nothing but action reaction pair. That means always force exists in pairs. That is the important property of Newton's third law. And this is a statement: every action has equal and opposite reaction. So action and reaction pair should be of same nature. So my dear students, pause the video and note down the points. These are very important points. Thank you for your watching.